After analyzing hundreds of reviews and testing the most recommended models, I found 5 car vacuums that are actually good at removing pet hair. Some are extremely powerful, some are perfect for tight spaces, and one is surprisingly cheap but still works really well. Here are the best options. If you own a dog or a cat, you already know how frustrating car cleaning can be. Pet hair sticks deep into the carpet, it hides between the seats, and somehow it always ends up everywhere. Most normal vacuums struggle with this because pet hair wraps around brushes or stays trapped inside the fabric. So in this video, we are looking at 5 car vacuums that actually solve that problem. We will start with number 5 and work our way up to the most powerful option. And trust me, the number 1 vacuum is on a completely different level. Let's start with number 5, Black+Decker AdvancedClean Pet. If you're looking for something affordable but still effective, this is one of the best budget options available. Many cheaper vacuums fail when it comes to pet hair because they simply do not have enough agitation to pull hair out of fabric. This one solves that problem with a motorized brush tool. Instead of just sucking air, the brush loosens stubborn hair that is stuck deep in seat fabric and floor mats. That makes cleaning much faster and much less frustrating. Another thing people love about this vacuum is how easy it is to use inside tight car spaces. The slim rotating nozzle helps reach areas like seat edges, door pockets, and around cup holders. So if your goal is simple maintenance cleaning without spending a lot of money, this is a great place to start. Next up is number 4, the Worx 20-volt cordless cube vacuum. Cars have one big challenge that most vacuums are not designed for: hard to reach spaces, under the seats, behind seat rails, deep inside the trunk, and this is where the Worx cube design becomes extremely useful. Instead of holding the entire vacuum while cleaning, you use a long flexible hose connected to the main unit. That hose gives you much more reach and flexibility. You can easily clean areas that are normally impossible to reach with standard handheld vacuums. Another benefit is comfort. Because you're only holding the hose, your hand does not get tired as quickly. This makes it especially helpful for larger vehicles like SUVs or family cars. So if your biggest problem is cleaning deep inside tight spaces, this design makes the process much easier. Now let's move to number 3, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lithium Ion. This vacuum was built specifically for pet owners, and it focuses on 2 big problems that pet owners deal with: hair and odor. Pet hair is only part of the issue. Car seats and carpets also trap pet dander and smells. The Bissell uses a multi-stage filtration system designed to capture those particles instead of blowing them back into the air. That means the interior of your car can actually smell fresher after cleaning. It also includes specialized pet tools designed for upholstery. These tools help lift hair from fabric surfaces like car seats, armrests, and carpeted floor mats. Another reason this vacuum is so popular is balance. It offers strong performance without being too expensive. So if you want something designed specifically for pets, this is one of the safest choices you can make. Now, let's talk about number 2, the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus. This is one of the most powerful handheld vacuums in its category, but the real reason pet owners love it is the self-cleaning brush roll. Anyone who has cleaned pet hair before knows this problem. Hair wraps around the brush and clogs the vacuum. Then you have to stop cleaning and cut the hair out. The Shark brush roll is designed to prevent that from happening. Hair moves directly into the vacuum instead of wrapping around the brush. That means less maintenance and faster cleaning. Another advantage is its compact size. Because it is small and lightweight, it is perfect for quick cleaning sessions inside the car. You can easily clean between seats, around pedals, and inside tight areas without struggling with a large machine. So if you want strong suction in a small handheld design, this vacuum is a fantastic option. And now number 1, the Dyson V15 Detect. If you want the best possible cleaning performance for pet hair, this is the vacuum that stands above everything else. Dyson designed a special anti-tangle hair screw tool that pulls hair directly into the vacuum without letting it wrap around the brush. That makes a huge difference when cleaning thick dog hair. Another unique feature is the laser dust detection head. It projects a small green laser across the floor and reveals tiny particles that are normally invisible. When you use it inside a car, you can actually see hidden dust and pet hair in carpets and dark corners, which means you end up cleaning areas you normally would have missed. The suction power is also incredibly strong. It pulls deeply embedded hair out of carpet fibers that many handheld vacuums simply cannot reach. Yes, it is more expensive than other options, but if you want professional level cleaning performance, this is easily the most powerful option on the list. So to quickly recap, If you want the best budget option, choose the Black+Decker AdvancedClean Pet. If you need something great for hard-to-reach areas, the Worx Cube vacuum is a smart choice. If odor and upholstery cleaning are important, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser is built for that. If you want a compact handheld vacuum with powerful suction, the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus is excellent. And if you want the absolute best cleaning performance for pet hair, the Dyson V15 Detect is the ultimate choice. If you want to check the latest prices for these vacuums, you can find the links in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more product reviews that make everyday problems easier to solve.